Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput blog. For the good news, not a good news, but there was a information for the candidate who was just waiting for their opportunities. So some of the candidate have received their and Mphasis have started there again the process for the candidate who have just not get receiving the information for the onboarding and the joining update. So in this video, I'm just telling about the information in this about the joining date for the 16 August. And guys, there was a important information about the apart from the 16 August also, because many of the candidate have received the mail of the joining date in August 16, and many candidates have not received. They will be received in the upcoming days. In this video, I'm just telling about the full information when they will be received, whose candidate or not received the mail about their onboarding update on the 16th of August. So guys, just subscribe my channel Technical Rajput blog for the more update, because in upcoming days I will just starting about the job opportunities and all the IT stuffs video. You can also watch my playlist where you can get the information about the onboarding update, joining, offer letter, and various IT stuffs, all the MNC companies update about their onboarding update, and regarding the Wipro, Mphasis, Capgemini, LTI, Mindtree, and all the information. So guys, let's go to the video. And there was an information who candidate important date for the joining remaining candidates. So guys, in this video I'm just telling about that Mphasis have just started their onboarding. This was the after the 3 month of a gap. Mphasis has just sent the mail about their greeting for the Mphasis campus hiring team. Congratulations, we are initiating your onboarding to Mphasis. Your date of joining will be 16th August. Please note the below terms and condition. You all got the semester mark sheet, degree certificate, PAN card, Aadhaar card, passport, and mandatory. So guys, after the three month of session, there was a information because the candidate will not lose the onboarding delay of a termination, because there was a candidate who just not got the provisional mark sheet of the 8th semester. Do have not just get the result from the BTech or candidate. So they have just passed the candidate in a June session. Many candidates have received the mark sheet also. If they will not receive, they will get the provisional certificate from the college or the university. So they will attach the 8th semester document. Guys, I'm just requesting you, I'm just informing you guys, please don't do this type of mistake, because they will be taking the various terms and condition, because they will be agree only the basis of a background verification or a document verification only. Because if you guys they will give you the opportunity, like the giving the delay of onboarding for due to the some documentation verification error, something like that, so you will be missed from this opportunities, guys. The first, there was after the 3 month of 16 August, and there was a second onboarding. Most probably they will give you in the between the 20 to 25 of August. There in August session there will be 2 to 3 joining, because I have just asked from the senior also. They just get the information. There was a good joining will be possible in August session, I think so, guys. Those who have not received this type of mail, they will be received in upcoming days also, I think, guys. They will be not delay again and again. We hope so. We are just waiting for this only. Many candidates have just waiting for this opportunity more than a 1 to 5 more than a 2 year, because after that there was a delay again and again. There was a various problem like facing the candidate. They will give fresher candidate who was just waiting for their opportunity. They have no another opportunity for apply for the, because they have just rejected all the other companies also. They want to join this type of a company. So guys, I hope so you will get the upcoming days. If I get the information about the next onboarding, I will surely inform you like through my videos also. So guys, please subscribe my channel Technical Rajput blog. You can also join my channel also from my join button also. So this is the thank you guys for watching this video. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Like and subscribe.